It's me again. This had to be from a while ago. This had to be from like before I got that spider bite, either late June or early or mid-July. Yeah, it's funny because I buy these things and I don't even know who Ben Solo is. Is this the one with the rape? Okay, I seen this movie. Okay, I remember it was funny. It was the day that I bought those gigantic stitches. I passed these Steve Irwin things up so many times, and I went back and I was like, these boxes are beautiful. He had some of the nicest boxes. So I went, there must have been 20, I don't know, 25, 30 of these things. Like, they had let's just say they had 3 cases of them out there. I think you get 10 per case. So they had 30 of these. And there must have been at least 7 or 8 of them that were really smashed. So I took all the smashed ones and I put them on the top shelf. And then I went through all these and I went around. I said, you know what? This kid's doing a new show. They're making a new movie. I can constantly hear people talking about Steve Irwin, even though he's been dead probably, I don't know, a long time. Maybe I was going to say 15 years, but it could be 30. I don't know. I'm not sure. But, so, I'm just grabbing stuff. Okay. Four Batman packs. There are 3 of these. Could have sworn I had 4 Green Lantern packs. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4 Green Lantern packs. I know this is Monticello. I don't even have to look. I remember bringing that Target bag into Monticello, and they were like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" That's like, "What are you doing?" That's like blasphemy. Isn't it weird how I'm talking really low? Because it's now it's 5:01. Monticello. Let's see what date this was. Wow, I was right. June 21st. That's okay. But yeah, so I bought a whole crap load of Steve Irwin's. Yeah. Oh, I thought they were. Oh, that's right, because it wasn't out yet. Dark Rider. What is his name? I forget. Card 2. Dark Rider. Alright, so I bought 4 of those. I got 4 Green Lanterns, 4 Batmans, and 4 Pokemons. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 Steve Irwins, and 5 G.I. Joes. I'm not pulling them out. Alright. Yeah, I thought I bought more Steve Irwins, but it seems like I bought 4 of everything and 1 extra G.I. Joe. 5 G.I. Joes. Ah, and there was that extra Ben Solo or whatever his name is. I don't know. I'm just, whenever I see Ben Solo, I think it's like Han Solo's kid or something. I don't know. And you know what? I remember saying in the last video, I'm going to start hitting pause, and then, because it's 5 minutes and 13 seconds, and I've only gotten through one bag already. So I'm definitely going to do that. I'll just bring them in and out. 2 packs of Prestige. It's got to be the Big H, because I remember getting this at the Big H. They never have Pikachus. I've gotten like, Zamazenta. Oh, okay. Is that who that is? Zamazenta? Oh, Eternatus. Eevee Eternatus for Pikachu. And that's like, at least, at the very least, the second, but I think that's like the third one I've got in the last couple weeks, so maybe they're reproducing them, printing them again, I don't know, making them again, I don't know what to say. Alright. What the hell is this? Oh, this is Stroudsburg. They had fruit like that, and I went up, it was like 79 cents or $1 or whatever, I don't know, but it was magnetic fruit, and I was buying it from my mother because she used to have these ceramic fruits on the wall, the kitchen wall. She used to be in a ceramics class, and so I got these for her. Sort of reminded me of grape, watermelon, strawberry, orange, banana. She had all those up on the wall. Peach, cherries. I loved them. They were such cool things. And I'm not taking this out of the bag. It's going to take too much time. I'm trying to get it back in. It's one of those orange sun and moon ETBs. The ones that they stopped making, but all of a sudden they're either making them again or what's going on? They're either making them again or they're finding them in warehouses and just getting rid of them because the card scene is so hot right now. 2 packs of Score. Put this up there. What's the other bags? I don't know what this is. This is amazing. Finally getting this crap out of here. Oh, I know what this is. This is from when I went to a card show. And my buddy's trying to get rid of crap. He's asking me to buy these for $20. And I said, 20? I wouldn't even give you 10. He's like, come on, I need to get rid of this stuff. Give me $5 a box. And I'm like, $5 a box? Okay. So I got the Topps big baseball cards. I got 90 Topps traded. And a whole bunch of sucks. I'm just doing this so I don't have to take them out of the box. A whole bunch of sets. Looks like an 88 Score. I think this is a 91. No. This is an 88. This is an 89. 88 Score is red. 89 is blue. Then there's this 89 Fleer. Oh, I'm sorry. That's 88 Donruss. Jesus. I guess I can't read upside down. And then this is an 88 something. It says 1988 on the top. I'm going to guess Fleer, because that's Donruss. Well, it could be Topps. Yep, that's what it is. 88 Topps. So I got an 88 Topps, 88 Donruss, 89 Score, and an 88 Score and an 89 Score. So 388s and an 89. And the funny thing is, it's like, still to this day, these goofs act like the 1990 score is such a fantastic set. Like, I remember when 1990 came out, like, there was less of it than most, but there was still, like, it's like, I don't know if you're math guys, if you understand math, how they talk about infinity, and then people are like, infinity times 2, and then, I'll say infinity squared. So me, I like a jerk. I mean, I was always into math, chemistry, physics, all the math-based sciences. So I'd always say infinity to the infinity power. How could you? Seriously, you can't do anything about that, because infinity to the 0 power is just 1. So you got to be careful with it. But anyways, it was fun. Well, that's what's reminding me about the night. So weird how I get off on wacko tangents. But the 90 Donruss, the 90 score. You had 88, it was red. 89, it was blue. 90, it was yellow. And I'm going to assume it was like green or purple, because I remember green and purple boxes. I don't know if it was, yeah, I think it was Score, but at least Score football. But the funny thing about it was, the 90 Score, since it was not mass produced as much, like it might have been like infinity squared, whereas Topps, Donruss, Flair, they were infinity to the infinity power, tons made, whereas the 90 score was like this much made instead of, and but it's still hundreds of it's still infinity, because they made so much of it. These guys at these shows, that's $90 and that's 90 score. You have to give me $50. I'm like, I might give you 10 for it. I said, I won't buy it off you. The only way I would buy it is if you give it to me for 10. I mean, even the 90 score wax boxes, or Mylar or Cello or whatever they used to call. I think they used to call them Mylar. Even those, like, I only give you $7.50 for them. It's like these guys trying to sell these old basketball boxes that are worthless for $750, because basketball's hot right now. Because it's like the Jordan cards are worthless. Like, I'd sell you those Jordan cards for $1 a piece. I have hundreds of thousands of them. They're worthless. It makes me laugh. They try to sell them for like $10. This one is a Battle Ready Kong. This has to be like a bag from that other day when I was showing you. So what is this? God. You gotta love Kong. It's a Star Trek one. It's funny because you see the 4-letter word that starts with a K. There's Khan, there's Kong, and there's Kirk. And then there's Carl Malone, another 4-lettered. Yeah, Captain Kirk, 2 Ks actually. Begins with a K, ends with a K. You know what? I am not putting that there. Let me put this here. How much time I got? Okay, I knew it was close. Well, at least I could see 75% of my couch now. Alright, I'm not going to look. This is, a Bumblebee. So I got this at 2 different places. Movies, True Grit, double feature for $3. And I don't know what that is. Batman vs. Superman. I think that might have been $4. I don't remember. Might have been 2 movies for $7.50 or something. So $3.75 a movie. Peace.